Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Bas44 and how you can get more credits and more messages per month and kind of like the unlimited way. So how the whole thing actually works is that open your app in a Chrome with the new email account, and after your app is open there you see edit with Bas44 floating button. At the bottom right, click, it will get you exactly copy of your app and then you can edit for 25 credits. So that's how the whole process actually works. So let me show you right here. So you're going to open your app that you're going to build in a new email account. And after your app is open, there you see edit with Bas44. And you will get exactly a copy of your app and then you can edit for 25 more credits. So this is how what you can actually do. And you can also use coupons. So this is like another thing that you can also find the coupons, or you can like someone referring for you. So that's like another thing what you can do, but primarily to like test this out, maybe it's going to help you to get the Bas44 for free. So have a great day guys, and